Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 4 3C self-practice 3C of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and use the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions. Self-practice exercise 3C questions 1 to 4 of chapter Playing with Numbers, and topics are prime and composite numbers, co-primes and relatively primes, and perfect numbers. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is determine whether each number is prime or composite. First bit is 35. We have to find the number 35 is composite or prime. We know 35 is when we multiply 5 with number 7, we get the number 35. 35 is 5 multiplied 7. We know prime number is the number which has 1 and the number itself as their common factors. Here 35 has two common factors 5 and 7. So 35, if the prime number has 1, if the number has 1 and the number itself has the common factor, then the number is prime. Here 35 has two common factors 5 and 7, so it is not prime. So 35 is not a prime number. Second bit B, 29. 29 is divisible by 1 and itself. 29 has the common factor 1 and 29. We know 29 is 1 multiplied with 29 and 29 has no other common factor. So 29 is divisible by 1 and itself, and it has only two common factors 1 and the number itself, that is 29. So 29 is a prime number. If the number has only 1 and the number itself is their common factor, then that number is prime. Otherwise it is not prime, that is composite number. So here 35 is not a prime number, 35 is composite number, and 29 has only two divisor, that is 1 and the number itself, that is 29. So it is prime number. Now we solve question number third bit C, 23. Here 23 is divisible by 1 and the number itself, that is 23. 23 has only two common factors, that is 1 and the number itself, that is 23. So 23 is a prime number. And 23 has no other common factors, only 23 has two common factors, that is 1 and 23. So 23 is a prime number. 57. Here we know when we multiply 3 with 19 we get 57, and 57 common factors of 57s are 1, 57, 3 and 19. We know prime number is the number which has 1 and the number itself is their common factors. Only two common factors if the number has, then the number is prime number. Here common factors of 57 are 1, 57, 3 and 19. So 57 is not a prime number. 57 is a composite number. Now we solve question number 5th bit E, 61. 61 is divisible by the number 1 and itself. 61 has only two common factors, that is 1 and the number itself, that is 61. So 61 is a prime number. 61 has only two common factors 1 and 61, and 61 has no other common factor, so 61 is a prime number. F, 19. 19 is divisible by 1 and the number itself. 19 has only two common factors, that is the number 1 and the number itself, that is 19. 19 has no other common factor, so 19 is a prime number. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, with the help of sieve of Eratosthenes, answer the following. First bit is, write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. We know prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. It has only two common factors, 1 and the number itself. Here we have to find the prime numbers less than 20. The prime numbers less than 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. And composite numbers are the number which are not prime. So here composite numbers less than 20 are, which are not prime, are 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. These are the composite numbers less than 20. Prime numbers are the numbers which has only two common factors, that is 1 and the number itself, and composite numbers are the numbers which are not prime. Now solve question number second bit, which is the largest prime number between 1 and 10. We know prime numbers are the number which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. It has only two divisors, 1 and the number itself. And prime numbers between 1 and 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So the largest prime numbers between 1 and 10 is 7. Now we solve question number third bit C. Make a list of 7 consecutive numbers, none of which is prime. We know prime numbers are the number which has only two common factors, 1 and the number itself. The list of 7 consecutive non-prime numbers are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 97. Here these are the 7 consecutive prime numbers. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is, which of the following is a pair of co-primes? First bit is 9 and 12. We know co-prime numbers are the number which have only one as their common factor, and it is also called, co-primes are also called relatively prime. Here 9 prime factorization of 9 is 3 multiplied with 3, and 12 is 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 4, that is 3 multiplied with 4. Here common factors between 9 and 12 is 3. 3 is the common factor between 9 and 12. We know co-primes are the number which have only one as their common factors. Here 3 is the common factor between 9 and 12, not 1. So these two numbers are not co-primes. So the numbers 9 and 12 are not co-prime numbers or relatively primes. If the number has only common factor 1, that number is co-primes or relatively primes. Now solve question number second bit B, 18 and 35. Co-prime, we have to check these two numbers are co-primes or relatively primes or not. We know co-primes numbers are the number which have only one as their common factors. So here prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3, and 35 is 5 multiplied with 7. So Here common factors between 18 and 35 is 1. As 18 and 35 has no common factors, so common factors between 18 and 35 is 1. 1 is the only common factor between 18 and 35. So the number 18 and 35 are pair of co-primes or relatively primes. So 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is which of the following is a pair of twin primes? First bit is 19 and 23. We know twin primes numbers are the prime numbers which differ by 2. That is difference between the two prime numbers is 2. Then that prime numbers will be twin primes. Here difference between 19 and 23 is 23 minus 19 is 4, which is not equal to 2. So the prime numbers 19 and 23 are not pair of twin primes. Second bit B, 5 and 7. Here the difference between these two prime numbers 5 and 7 is 2. So these two numbers 5 and 7 are pair of twin primes. So if the prime numbers difference between two prime numbers is 2, then that two prime numbers are twin primes. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.